Unexpected disruptions and disasters can be stressful and expensive for your business. Thankfully, insurance can help protect you against specific risks. But how does it work? You pay premiums to an insurance company, often monthly or once a year, and the insurance company promises to help if anything or something goes wrong, like paying for repairs, replacements, or covering costs. The risks you face and the policies available to cover these risks vary from business to business and by industry. Common risks include natural disasters like floods, fire, and earthquakes, theft of things like equipment, stock damage, loss in transit, IT crime or hacking, injury or property damage caused by your product or services, product recall, employment dispute, or health and safety breach. No single policy can cover all your business risks, so it's likely you'll need more than one. So let's talk about the most common policies. Asset insurance can cover theft and damaged items you own and use for work, like computers, furniture, tools, specialist equipment, vehicles, and stock. There are two main types. Indemnity is the most common policy type, which takes wear and tear into account when paying your claim. The other is replacement, which pays the full cost of replacing the item. Commercial property insurance is typically taken out by the owner of the property. It's usually in the form of a material damage policy. Covers you and any lender that you may have borrowed funds from for your business from natural disasters and other events such as fire and burglary that cause loss or damage to stock, plant, business contents, and buildings. You don't usually take out this insurance if you lease your business premises. A business interruption policy covers you when your business is interrupted by natural disasters, fire and burglary, events that are covered in a commercial property material damage policy, and you suffer losses because of the interruption. It covers you for an agreed period so that you can still pay wages, rent and utilities and have some funds left over for profit. You can take out this type of policy if you lease your business premises. Liability insurance is useful if you do work for other organisations. It covers the cost if an organisation sues you or one of your employees. There are several types of liability insurance, but it's recommended that all businesses and self-employed people have the most basic general liability cover. Cybersecurity insurance is a broad area covering data breaches, website hacking, and IT scams. Make sure the policy you choose covers your areas of risk. There are many other types of insurance that may apply to you depending on what industry you're in, including marine insurance, travel insurance, transit insurance, product recall, and trade credit. We've included more details about these in the learning summary. Even if you're just starting out, it's a good idea to start thinking about your insurance needs right away. Even if these needs are very basic, it's always a good idea to review your needs each year to make sure your growth and changes are taken into account. And when setting your insurance budget, think about the cost of not having the right cover and how that could negatively impact your business. When it comes to making a decision, here are some common risks to avoid. Not reviewing the sums insured. Make sure you review how much you need covered at least annually or after any major change to your business. Not telling your insurer about important changes, like to your business model. You can't claim for something not covered in your policies. Not telling your insurer the whole truth. For example, a legal issue you didn't mention. Keeping back crucial information can lead to a rejected claim. Not getting advice. Insurance is a specialist area, and many people wrongly assume that they can get one policy or a package of policies that covers all their business activities. This isn't the case. Insurance policies often use specific, complex, and even confusing language, so an insurance broker can help you to unpick anything that's unclear and help you understand what a policy does and doesn't cover, to find policies that suit you.